guys, it's Monday morning. I am just making a coffee. Can you hear that? But my exams are all done. Yay. I just kind of took the weekend to relax and catch up with some friends, which was lovely. I just got home from dropping the kids off. I'm going to have my coffee, sit down for a bit, and then I've got, what have I got? I've got to write a reference letter for someone that used to work for me. I've got a video I have to film, and I then have a dentist appointment, which I'm really looking forward to because I really need it clean quite badly. And then I'm going to come home and clean this house because it is not okay. It's so bad, which it always is after exams. But I just wanted to show you guys this quickly. This is the office. New door is up. New handle. And look at that. We have tiles. How exciting. They look so nice. I'm so happy with them. So all the painting is done. All the socket fixtures have been replaced except for that one. I'm not sure why that one doesn't have a cover on it, but the rest is all done. The air conditioning unit had a clean out. Tiles are mostly down. So he's done up to sort of there. So yeah, most of it is done with the tiles laid down. So we just need to finish this little bit and in the bottom of the wardrobe, and then grout. And then she'll be done. And I'll be able to put my desks and my shelves in here. I'm so excited. All coming along. I am so happy with it. So I'm just going to finish making my coffee, and then just gonna have a quick sit down with this and then get to all the stuff I've got to do. Okay guys, so here's a quick update. It's still pretty messy, but we're definitely getting there. So I have my desk in, I have my Kallax all set up. It's not all sort of finalized how I want it yet, but everything is away and fits mostly. My sewing machine's down there. I want to get some kind of, I don't know, like thin shelving unit. It's really narrow, so it'd have to be a really sort of narrow shelving unit, but if I can find something that would fit nicely in that gap, that would be awesome, because that's just kind of wasted space. I wanted to put these Alex drawers under my desk, but it's an electric like height adjustable desk, and they are too high to go under there, and even this little one's too high. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but Tyson is thinking about maybe making some foot things for it to make it higher so we can put the shelves or the drawers under there. But for now, they are there. There's 3 of them like that. And then that one's on casted, so I've just kind of put it there for now because, let me move that chair. I can wheel it out of the way to get to the stuff behind, and the stuff on those lower shelves is stuff I don't use all that often. Anyway, my cameo is on there. That's just a box full of stationery that needs to be put away. I've got some glass shelves there for my Calax that I haven't decided where I want those to go yet, but I definitely want one in that cube, I think, and probably maybe that one as well. Yeah, I haven't decided yet how I want everything. Those cords obviously need to be tidied away, but yeah, I think it's going to be good. That painting's just there for the moment. I had a client here yesterday. I did pop a little clip in of me cleaning my brushes. It was lovely. I had beautiful natural light coming in there. I've got a really like bright temperature adjustable light, like brightness adjustable light in the ceiling. So yeah, it was really lovely doing her makeup yesterday. She came for a bridal trial. So I did her hair and makeup, and I was really, really happy with the lighting here. It was absolutely beautiful. And then I had the white doors there in the background when I took photos, and the photos came out really, really beautifully. It's amazing the difference lighting makes when you take beauty photos. So yeah, I was really, really happy with it. It was a little small because she did bring her maid of honor, so it was a little bit squeezy in here, but it wasn't too bad. Honestly, it was just fine. So I set up all my makeup stuff on my desk, and then I set up all my hair stuff on hubby's desk, and I just kind of swapped between desks as I was doing her hair. I can't speak, sorry. I am so tired. I have not had the last 2 nights. I've had like 3 or 4 hours sleep, and then last night I got to sleep in last night, so I'm a little bit croaky and a little bit sleepy, but I'm really, really happy with how it's coming along. So this is hubby's office chair. I just need to move that over there. I gave Ty my Raskog because I have 2 of those drawers, all of those drawers, and all of the Calax, and that's all my craft stuff put away. And I do have a bit of room. I've got a little bit of stuff up in that closet, but like that's it, just those 2 boxes. And that white box is actually empty apart from another empty box inside of it. So yeah, I have some space to expand, but honestly, I really don't want to buy too much more. I have so much stuff that, well, I mean, compared to other people, I really don't have that much craft stuff, but particularly I've got a lot of, those are kits, and then those are kits. I guess that's not a lot really, but I just feel like it is. So I kind of want to work through some of my stuff before I buy anything else. I've got quite a bit of room in that cube. There's some room in that cube, and there's some room in the very bottom one on that side as well. That basket has quite a bit of room in it too. So yeah, I mean, I'm not full to capacity. Quite a few of these drawers don't have much in them, so this one just has layouts that I'm working on right now. And yeah, like that one isn't full at all, so. And I think at least one of those drawers is empty too. So yeah, I mean, I'm not maximizing my desk storage either, so I'm sure I could definitely improve there. I think I'm going to put another shelf there. I kind of want a separate shelf for my traveler's notebooks. At the moment, they're sitting on my acrylic drawers. So obviously, I mean, you can't even see them. So I can't get to any of my acrylic drawers, which is not ideal. So I think, yeah, I'm going to put a little lightweight shelf up there because I've still got heaps of vertical space there. I'm not sure what I want to do here. I was thinking about putting a shelf, but then because my desk is height adjustable, I would have to have it up really high as well. And I think I want to put artwork on this wall. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put a little shelf on that wall. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I go. If we're going to leave these drawers here, I might have a look at maybe some more under desk drawers. It'd be nice to have some deeper drawers. These are really shallow. which is awesome for like papers and long things. And like some of these drawers I have like all my embellishments in like that, so they're really good for that. But then these ones, the deepest drawers are those, and that is not super deep, to be honest. I can't even stand up my littlest bottle of gesso in one of those deep drawers. So yeah, it's a work in progress. We're getting there.